JSA India, 3 Outstanding Businessmen Industrialist Professional Award 2010.
Leaders are made, they are not born. They are made by hard effort, which is the price which all of us must pay to achieve any goal that is worthwhile. These great words were said by Vinci Lombardi and are exemplified by our Tobib honoree, Mr. Johnny Kuruvilla. Johnny Kuruvilla, fondly known as Johnny Cheta to those who are well acquainted with him, was born in an ancient Jnanaya Catholic family from Kottayam in Kerala on 7th June 1952. His constant and sincere hard work has been the key to his success throughout his life. Johnny started his career with the Maharani Hotel in Calicut. The remuneration was quite low and he knew it would be quite difficult to support his family back home. So he took the train to Mumbai seeking greener pastures, like countless young men and women of that era who left for Mumbai in search of a better future. In Mumbai, he learnt air conditioning and refrigeration, which was the in thing in those days, and started his career at Mumbai as an AC mechanic at the Oberoi Sheraton, Bombay. It was in Bombay that the real world unfolded before his eyes, revealing the intriguing and often perplexing lifestyles led by a vast majority in their struggle for a better tomorrow. His roommate, Mr. Mendes, a postgraduate and a lecturer at a college, used to work part-time as a waiter in the hotel, making an average of Rs 200 per day as tips. Inspired by this, Johnny convinced his manager at the Oberoi to allow him to take up a waiter's job part-time. He was not expecting to earn much more than his Rs 8 a day job as an air conditioner mechanic. On his first day as a part-time waiter, he made a cool 25 rupees as tips, which was more than 3 times his income then. So he decided to quit his air conditioner repair job and join the Oberoi Sheraton as a full-time room service staff. The year 1978 is of great significance to Johnny. It is the year when he was recruited for the Hilton Hotel in Dubai. He landed in Dubai with just a shirt, a pair of trousers, a tube of toothpaste and a toothbrush in his suitcase. From that year on till the year 1998, when he resigned from the Hilton Group, he never worked for more than a year in a single position. He would be promoted almost every year. Working with the Hilton Group for 20 years made Johnny a master in the customer care domain. Each year, the Hilton Group would send him for international seminars and training events in leadership, customer care, effective communication skills and time management. During the years that he spent with the Hilton Group, he had the good fortune to travel the world, getting trained in the finer aspects of his vocation. In 1998, he left the Hilton Group to join the prestigious UAE Armed Forces Officers Club as a financial controller. He was soon promoted as a Director of Finance and Administration. When he joined the club, it was running a loss of $250,000 Arab dirhams per year. After taking over the club's financial operations, he ensured that the club churned out a profit of 20 million Arab dirhams each year. He has an active interest in social work and cultural development and is one of the most successful Keralites in the UAE. He had the honor of being awarded the 3rd degree from the Department of Defense, one of the highest civilian awards given in the United Arab Emirates. At present, he is based in the Sultanate of Oman, developing and managing a hotel called Seeb International under the brand name Johnny International. He is also one of the directors of Rashtra-Deepika, a leading newspaper in Kerala, and is the president of the World Malayali Council in the Middle East. Johnny Kuruvilla is married to Tracy Amma and has 2 children. His son Felix is pursuing his honours in law, while his daughter Felina is married and settled in Trivandrum. Nominee of JCI Kirangur from Zone 22 for the Tobib Award for the year 2010. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Johnny Kuruvilla.
JSA India, 3 Outstanding Businessmen Industrialist Professional Award 2010.